Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you activate Anaconda environment in VS Code. So to do this, you have to follow this simple steps. First of all, you need to install Anaconda and VS Code. So before we can activate an Anaconda environment in VS Code, we need to have both installed on our system. So you can download and install Anaconda from the official website and VS from the VS Code website itself. Then you have to go ahead and create a new environment using the Conda command. Open your terminal or Anaconda prompt and type in Conda, create, give a double dash and name and type in myenv and Python equals to 3.8. So you could also find it on my link or my description box below, and you have to replace myenv with the name of your environment and 3.8 with the Python version you want to use. As you've done it, so you want to install the Python extension in VS Code. So VS Code uses the Python extension to provide a feature like IntelliSense, Lightning, debugging code, navigations, and more. So to install it, you just have to open the VS Code, go to the extension view by clicking on the extension icon in the active bar on the side of a window and search for Python. Click install to add it. After which, you just need to select the Anaconda environment as your Python. And to activate the Anaconda environment VS Code, you need to select it as your Python interpreter. Open the command panel or palette and press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Type Python, select interpreter and hit enter. A list of available interpreters will appear. Select the one that corresponds to your Anaconda environment. On the next terminal, you just need to verify the action or environment activation. And this is how you'll have successfully activated Conda environment in VS Code. That is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.